These are the elevators. I don't know what the name of this parking garage is, but there's 4 of them in downtown Jacksonville, Florida. These are KONE elevators with KOSIS 500. No chime or lantern. Mixer replacement buttons here. That's 570, that's 570, those are original 500, then those are like the van resistant replacement buttons that are meant to fit in that house. It's not horrible. Here at 7. Jeez. Okay, that's 370. Alright, we're back down to 1. Beeps. Basic stainless steel cab. Needs to be fixed. Got a 1 certificate. That might say the name of the garage. I'll have to figure that out.